Welcome to Cooking with Nanu. Today we're gonna be making a simple beef stew in the oven. For the ingredients, we have beef, salt and pepper, ginger and garlic, onions, bell peppers. For the spices, we do have paprika, turmeric, garam masala, curry powder, beef cube, and beef masala. We also have tomatoes, carrots, green peas, and cilantro. Next, we're gonna start putting the ingredients in the pot. For the first step, we're gonna put the beef, salt and pepper, ginger, garlic, and onions. We're gonna mix them and let it bake for an hour. For the second step, we're gonna blend tomatoes, bell peppers, and the spices. After the hour, we'll add the blended mix and let it bake for 30 minutes. And then we'll go ahead and add the peas and carrots and let that bake for another 30 minutes. And finally, we'll add the cilantro, mix it up, and your dinner will be ready.